Truth, culture, politics, no filter. This is Jamaica 87.
Wagwan, guys. Wagwan. I just want to have a reasoning with you, my family. And I want you guys to comment, in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you agree or you don't agree, and, just engage me in the comment section. Who really going to fight for the innocent lives that is taken by these criminals in our country? Who will fight for our little girls, our little boys, that get unalive by these criminals that don't have any heart? Who is going to fight for our elders that have been abused by these criminals? We have a lot of watchdog groups in this country. But we all know that these people is only for a few and not everybody. These watchdog groups that's supposed to watch over Jamaica is no longer watching over our country. They become a political puppet for the criminal organization regime, PMP. They align themselves with them. And it's only when the police do anything you heard from these people. But when a gunman out there killing the innocent Jamaicans, you're not hearing anything from these watchdog groups. And now, we have a little youth named MARVIN taking up the same habit as these watchdog group, because he's behaving as if he's all for Jamaicans and the poor people. But I want to draw your attention to something with MARVIN. You see, beyond the noise of MARVIN, there is no substance. There is no substance. And let me tell you why. Only when the police unalive anybody in this country, you hear MARVIN come out and say something. But when the innocent men and women, boys and girls, our elderly, have been brutally unalive by the criminals in this country, you don't hear anything from him. If you said you are for Jamaicans and you are for the poor people, you're not supposed to be selective. You're supposed to be for everybody. I heard some people refer to him as Marcus Garvey. But those who refer to him as Marcus Garvey and our freedom fighters, apparently they don't know about Marcus Garvey. and they don't know about our national heroes and what they fought for. Yeah? Beyond Marvin Nice, there is nothing. The reason why Marvin is out there making up noise is to gain followers. And for his followers to follow him, for him to talk to them about his cryptocurrency that he's so passionate about. He's more passionate about the cryptocurrency more than how he passionate with the Jamaican people, sorry. Who will stand up for our brothers and our sisters? See, it just the other day, yesterday, young 36-year-old restaurant owner have been cut down by the criminals. Who is going to stand up for our young black men who have been brutally murdered across this country? Our entrepreneurs, young black men trying hard to survive, trying to start a business. And because of hate and grudgeful and stupidity, they got murdered. Who is going to stand up for these people? There is nobody in Jamaica right now that is really standing up for the poor people. Listen to me. Listen to me. It's hurtful. It's hurtful to see these people talking, making up noise, and the noise that they are making get more attention than the real substance. Who is going to be our next hero? Who is going to be our next Marcus Garvey? Who is going to be our next Sam Sharp? Who is going to be our next Nanny? Because right now, everybody that said that they are watching over Jamaica and they are for Jamaicans is not so. They are far, far away off. You understand what I mean? And when the most honorable Dr. Andrew Michael Hooney said, is either you see the judge or you see your maker. Whenever time you challenge the security force or you're continuing to murder your brothers and your sisters over stupid things, we can't have you in our society. We can't have you in our society. I'm going to say this to every family, everybody that is watching this video. If you have any family that involved in any form of violence, if you know any of your family member that surround anybody that involved in violence, speak to them, encourage them that there is a better way out. There is a better way, and there will always be a better way out. Who is going to fight for the Jamaican people? Guys, let me hear your thought in the comment section. Remember, if you're not a subscriber of this channel, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Love you all. Jamaica 87.